What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, guys. Now I haven't just posted a regular vlog in a while. I've been working a lot. We're getting closer and closer to the holidays, and now I'm working like 6 days a week, so it makes it definitely more difficult to try to keep to my upload schedule, but I at least want to get a little short video out today. No, probably ain't gonna be much, probably 6 minutes at most, maybe a little under, but figure I got off work, come out and do a little bit of lovely yard work, 'cause it's so much fun to do yard work, but everyone loves it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll pick it up here once I make it done. Alright, just finished up with that. Hope you guys enjoyed that little funny montage I tried to do. It's quite crappy here. The weather is really cold. I like it. And it's Ohio, so our weather changes quite a bit. But since it's been so cold lately, I'm going to attempt to start the truck. I don't know if the battery's going to be dead or not. Like I said, there's a sensor that took crap on me and it's been acting really, really crappy. So, let's see if it'll run. It actually saved itself. I'm kind of surprised. Most of the time it dies. I'll actually insert a clip here, guys. Vincent remembered to insert a clip. And because what happens is the RPMs, it'll go real low, then jump up, and then drop again, and then just die. But when it went low this time, it actually saved itself from dying, which I'm really surprised about. But I like to try to start this thing every so often, but before I know it's going to be in storage, less than a month before it happens, so it sucks, but like I said, I want to keep the truck as clean as possible. When there's no rust on a 2000 truck, and Dakotas are known for that type of crap. I'll let this run for a few minutes. I'll pick it up here, guys, in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video for today. I know it was a little bit different, but I worked all day and really didn't have much time to record anything. I'm pretty sure there's like a 90% chance there's not going to be a video Wednesday. Sorry, I know, but I work Monday through Thursday this week. So there will be a video Friday for sure, but I don't know. I have an idea, but we'll see if it ends up happening or not, because it has one of my buddies and it depends on how busy he is that Friday. But if it does end up working out, it's going to be a pretty cool video, but I have a backup idea if that video ends up not working out. So, but if you guys enjoyed, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. My Twitter and Instagram will be in the description below. Have a great day, guys. See you later.